Are you facing issues with your iPhone's signal? Don't worry, today we'll provide you with a step-by-step guide to improve your signal service in 2025. Step 1. Restart your iPhone. This simple yet effective method can refresh your system and often solve connectivity problems. Step 2. Toggle airplane mode. A quick fix to reset your mobile connection in just a moment. Step 3. Ensure your iPhone is up to date with the latest iOS. This helps maintain optimal performance. Step 4. Check your signal strength. This will help gauge your current network reception. Step 5. Reset your network settings by going to Settings, General, Reset. This can resolve persistent issues. Step 6. Ensure your phone is set to use 4G or LTE for the best available network. Step 7. If problems persist, don't hesitate to contact your carrier for assistance. Step 8. Consider using Wi-Fi calling to leverage available Wi-Fi connections and enhance call quality. In conclusion, we've covered practical steps to improve your iPhone's signal service. Share your experiences in the comments.